Okay, let's choose a hairstyle. Now, before you get started, there are a couple of things that you need to remember. Number one, parts of the hair are going to go in front of the face, while other parts of the hair are going to need to be sent to the back of the head that you drew. So, with that being said, you need to draw the hair as separate elements that can be sent to either the front or sent to the back. I'm going to draw this hairstyle right here to show that. So I'm going to work on the part of the hair that is going to be sent to the back first. The easiest thing for me to do is to actually make an outline of the entire hair. I'm going to choose just a stroke color, no fill. And I'm really going to zoom in here so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm also using my pen tool for this. So again, with as few points as possible, making sure that you are using your Option or your Alt key to drag those handles around. It doesn't need to be perfect, but it helps to follow the general shape. And again, I understand it's kind of low res. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to see. And keep in mind, you're going to be drawing a shirt on top of this, so the back doesn't have to be perfect. And make sure to end it and go to the black arrow tool when you're done. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to draw this piece right here and this piece right here separately. So I'm going to start off at the part of the hair and follow it along right down to this curve. And back up into the part that I already drew. You can go a little outside, that's fine. And end. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to start right here. And go around down to right here. And again, I'm going to follow along with the part that I already drew, trying to get it as close as possible. And end it. And then I can go in and add in these wisps. So I'm going to use the pencil tool for this. And just draw in these wisps. There we go. And the next, all I have to do is color it in. So I'm going to select the wisps first. And choose a color. So you might want to use your swatches or a swatch library for this. I'll do the darker brown. And then I'm going to color in the entire background with the lighter brown. So I'm just going to swap my fill and stroke first. Grab my swatches. And for this one, I'm going to fill it in with both the swatch, the fill color, and the stroke. Same with this one. And now it's done.